Kia ora everyone, my name is Rahera Ngawharau. I am from Wellington, New Zealand. I just started getting into acting and doing this beginner's American accent course I thought would be really handy to get under the belt. I think it would help a lot with getting other roles and yeah, pretty much I absolutely loved this course. Sarah Valentine is awesome. She's awesome at what she does. And I just learned so much. It's a 10-day challenge course that I did, and I just feel like, you just get so hungry to learn even more. And it's not only, I didn't, I thought it was like not only worth my money, but I would pay more, like, to do more lessons. And for me, if I'm willing to pay someone, they're worth something. Um, yeah, her course is simple, easily. Sorry, I'm a bit fob. It's easy to follow, and um, yeah, simple, easy to follow, and she's always there the whole time, giving feedback, um, giving things to work on, homework, catch up, and just a lot of encouragement. And yeah, I love the theory and the practical stuff behind it because I feel like you learn even more. If you're someone who learns by watching or seeing, it's there. If you're someone that learns by reading, it's there. Both of them, awesome. But yeah, Sarah Valentine, she's awesome. She knows what she's doing. Hit her up. I've already sent messages to some of my acting friends that I know that are getting into acting too. And yeah, it's a great course. Love it.